Explore the top 10 amphibious vehicles that blur the lines between land and water. From the eco-friendly WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport to the luxurious Iguana Commuter, these machines redefine innovation and style. Whether it's speed, sustainability, or luxury, there's something here for everyone. WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport. The WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport is a one-of-a-kind amphibious vehicle that offers the best of both worlds, land and water. Its advanced engineering ensures seamless performance across terrains. On water, it reaches a top speed of 35 miles per hour, powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury outboard motor. With a range of 100 miles, it's built for adventure. The lightweight aluminum frame and marine-grade design make it both durable and buoyant, ensuring reliable performance in aquatic conditions. On land, the 72-volt lithium-ion battery powers a 5 kilowatts AC induction motor, providing a smooth and quiet ride. It can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, transitioning effortlessly from water to road. The WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport seats up to 6 people, offering plenty of room for friends and family. Its design blends performance, comfort, and style, making it ideal for exciting outdoor adventures. Whether cruising the waves or exploring the road, the WaterCar-EV Hybrid Sport is the perfect vehicle for those who crave versatility and innovation. Iguana Commuter, the ultimate amphibious adventure boat. Meet the Iguana Commuter, a stylish 9.20-meter boat from the French brand Iguana. This high-performance vessel zooms at up to 50 knots and effortlessly navigates through coastlines, rivers, and canals. Inside, the cabin is both comfy and practical, featuring a bathroom, electric locks, and ample storage space. The hardtop is versatile, transforming from a watertight helm to a sunshade in no time, and you can control the electric features right from your iPhone. What truly makes the Iguana Commuter stand out is its impressive tank-like treads. These allow the boat to drive right onto beaches and various terrains, making landings a breeze. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone who enjoys exploring both land and water, the Iguana Commuter is your perfect companion for exciting and convenient journeys. Amphicar 770. The Amphicar 770, produced between 1961 and 1968, is a one-of-a-kind amphibious vehicle that blends the features of both a car and a boat. Designed by Hans Trippel and manufactured by the Quant Group, around 3,878 units were made. Powered by a 1,147cc inline 4-cylinder engine, the Amphicar 770 offers modest performance. On land, it reaches a top speed of 75 miles per hour, and on water, it can go up to 8 to 9 knots. With its 4-speed manual transmission and twin propellers, the Amphicar 770 transitions smoothly from land to water. While its performance may not match that of specialized vehicles, its unique design and dual functionality have earned it a special place in automotive history. Today, the Amphicar 770 is a sought-after collector's item, celebrated for its novelty, charm, and the rare ability to drive on both land and water. Sea Lion, the ultimate amphibious vehicle. The Sea Lion is not just a car, it's a true masterpiece of engineering and design. This custom-built vehicle, made from aluminum and stainless steel, can seamlessly transform from a sleek sports car into a powerful speedboat in a matter of seconds. On land, it can hit speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, and when in water, it can glide at an impressive 60 miles per hour. This makes it the world's fastest amphibious car. The Sea Lion was created by Mark Witt, who spent 6 years crafting this incredible machine. He designed it for one goal: to set new speed records both on land and sea. Mark refers to the Sea Lion as an amphibious world speed record competition vehicle, reflecting his ambition to push the boundaries of performance on all terrains. And if you share Mark's passion for innovation and adventure, the Sea Lion can be yours for $259,500. But this isn't just about owning a car. The Sea Lion is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's built for those who want to explore new horizons, break limits, and experience the thrill of adventure like never before. With the Sea Lion, you don't just drive, you live. Gibbs Bisy, the motorcycle that transforms into a jet ski. Imagine riding a motorcycle that can transform into a jet ski in seconds. Meet the Gibbs Bisy, a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the thrill of both land and water travel. It's the world's first of its kind, offering the freedom to cruise highways, explore coastlines, or hit the waves, all with a single vehicle. The Bisy is powered by a 2-cylinder petrol engine that delivers 55 horsepower, both on land and water. On the road, it can reach speeds up to 80 miles per hour, while on the water, it cruises at a solid 37 miles per hour. The transition between land and water is seamless, thanks to its automatic coilover spring suspension. When you enter the water, the suspension retracts, allowing you to glide smoothly. For water navigation, the Bisy is equipped with a dual-jet propulsion system, ensuring stability and maneuverability. Whether you're weaving through traffic or riding waves, control is at your fingertips. The vehicle also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and handlebar steering for easy handling. To make the experience even more practical, the Bisy features both road and marine navigation lights. Whether you're riding at night on the highway or navigating in low light on the water, you're covered. Though the Bisy is not yet available for sale, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag of around $330,000. It's the ultimate amphibious motorcycle for those seeking adventure on both land and sea. Dornier Seastar. The Dornier Seastar is an aircraft that combines advanced design with strong functionality. Its unique parasol wing configuration, along with dual Pratt & Whitney PT6A112 engines, ensures smooth and efficient flight. This design pays tribute to Dornier's famous flying boats. By placing the engines above the wings, it reduces exposure to water spray, minimizes rolling, and boosts overall durability and performance. Built using fiberglass composite materials, the Seastar is highly resistant to corrosion and leaks, making it perfect for aquatic environments. Its low vertical center of gravity and specially designed sponsons enhance water stability and improve takeoff efficiency. With space for up to 12 passengers, the Seastar can serve both private and commercial needs. Future upgrades, such as autopilot capabilities and a modern glass cockpit, will further boost its performance. StabiX 250UC, the ultimate amphibious adventure vehicle. Meet the StabiX 250UC, the ultimate vehicle for outdoor fun. Whether you're into on-water camping, fishing, or family outings, this versatile amphibious ride has got you covered. With room for up to 7 passengers, it's designed for comfort and style, featuring a roomy cabin and a cool forward-sloping windshield. The StabiX 250UC is built tough, with a heavy-duty fender and sleek design to handle any adventure. Inside, you'll find a top-notch galley with custom diamond-stitched seats, a fold-out table, and handy amenities like a 60L live bait tank, a diesel stove, and a 40L fridge. It's powered by a 40-horsepower Briggs & Stratton FE engine and uses the Enura Premium Amphibious system for smooth transitions between land and water. With Garmin electronics, a Fusion sound system, and optional solar panels, the StabiX 250UC offers a luxurious, fully equipped experience wherever you go. Humdinga. Meet the Humdinga, an innovative amphibious vehicle by Gibbs Amphibians. This remarkable machine is designed to perform seamlessly on both land and water. It's part of Gibbs's range of high-speed amphibious vehicles, bringing versatility to a whole new level. Powered by a V8 engine, the Humdinga reaches impressive speeds of over 160 km per hour, or 100 miles per hour, on land. When it hits the water, it cruises at around 30 knots, or 35 miles per hour. Switching between land and water mode takes only about 5 seconds, making it quick and adaptable for diverse uses. The Humdinga is built for a variety of applications, whether it's rescue missions, military operations, or recreational adventures. It can carry up to 7 passengers and is equipped with advanced jet propulsion for smooth water navigation. Its rugged design and durable build make it suitable for off-road conditions and challenging waters alike. On land, the Humdinga's 4-wheel drive system powers through tough terrain, while in water, its hydrodynamic hull and jet system provide excellent stability. Recent updates have made the Humdinga even more efficient, with newer models featuring stronger engines and enhanced safety systems. The Humdinga is a true blend of innovation and power, redefining what's possible in amphibious transportation. Sherp Pro 1000 Unstoppable Force in All-Terrain Vehicles. The Sherp Pro 1000 is built to conquer any terrain. With the ability to carry up to 1,000 kilograms, this all-terrain vehicle is perfect for rugged environments. Whether you're traveling on land or water, the Sherp performs with ease. On land, it can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, while on water, it moves at 3.7 miles per hour. The vehicle accommodates up to 6 passengers, making it a great choice for off-road adventures. One of its standout features is its 35 degrees grade ability, allowing it to climb steep slopes with ease. Powered by a diesel engine, the Sherp Pro 1000 is both fuel efficient and high in torque. It can operate for up to 115 hours, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal noise and vibration. The Sherp Pro 1000's advanced air circulation system automatically adjusts tire pressure to ensure optimal traction, no matter the terrain. Its body is made from corrosion-resistant galvanized steel and lightweight aluminum, offering durability and stability for extreme conditions. If you're looking to tackle off-road challenges, the Sherp Pro 1000 is the perfect choice. Designed to take on the toughest environments, it stands as an unstoppable force in the world of all-terrain vehicles. Candela C8, Watercraft. The Candela C8 is a revolutionary electric watercraft that redefines boating. What sets it apart is its ability to fly above the water, thanks to cutting-edge hydrofoiling technology. Once the boat reaches about 16 knots, its retractable hydrofoils lift it out of the water. This reduces drag by up to 80%, making the ride smoother, quieter, and more energy efficient. The Candela C8 offers a top speed of 27 knots and an impressive range of 57 nautical miles at a cruising speed of 22 knots. This means you can enjoy extended, thrilling rides without worrying about the battery. With its futuristic design and advanced features, the Candela C8 turns every trip on the water into an unforgettable experience. Foilone Pegasus. The Foilone Pegasus is redefining watercraft innovation. With its sleek and minimalist design, this advanced hydrofoiling vessel is built for performance and sustainability. Powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor and high-performance Torqeedo batteries, it achieves an impressive top speed of 30 knots. It cruises comfortably at speeds between 18 and 22 knots, delivering over 2 hours of runtime on a single charge. The hydrofoil system sets it apart. It minimizes wake and noise, offering a quiet, eco-friendly ride that harmonizes with nature. This makes it perfect for those who want a thrilling yet serene experience on the water. Its precision-engineered steering system allows for sharp and agile turns, giving you the sensation of piloting a fighter jet. This adds an exhilarating edge to every ride. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, the Pegasus is designed for one passenger. Despite its high-tech construction, it fully recharges in less than 2 hours, ensuring you spend more time enjoying the adventure and less time waiting. The Foilone Pegasus is more than just a watercraft. It's a blend of elegance, sustainability, and high performance, offering an eco-conscious way to explore the water. Waterlodge Apart XXL. The Waterlodge Apart XXL is a stunning example of luxury living on the water. This floating home is designed for families or groups of friends who want a unique escape. With an impressive 540 square feet of living space, it offers the flexibility to have 1 to 4 bedrooms and up to 3 bathrooms. This ensures that everyone has enough room to relax and feel comfortable. The spacious living room and kitchen are seamlessly connected, creating an open layout that enhances the sense of space. Outside, you'll find an expansive 600 square feet of deck space, perfect for soaking in the peaceful surroundings. One of the most remarkable features of the Apart XXL is its ability to function off the grid for up to 3 days. This makes it ideal for those looking for an adventurous getaway while still enjoying all the comforts of home. Starting at $327,000, the Waterlodge Apart XXL redefines luxury living on the water. Whether for a weekend escape or long-term stay, it's an experience unlike any other. Enautic WaveFlyer Volare. Introducing the Enautic WaveFlyer Volare, a groundbreaking electric hydrofoil crafted by the Australian company, Enautic. This watercraft redefines what it means to ride the waves, offering a unique blend of sleek design, eco-friendly performance, and innovative technology. At the heart of the WaveFlyer Volare is its wave drive platform, which provides a smooth and quiet ride. Whether you're cruising leisurely or commuting on water, this platform ensures both comfort and sustainability. With a range of 100 kilometers and a top speed of 20 knots, the Volare is versatile enough for short trips or longer adventures. Its advanced safety features and intuitive controls make it suitable for everyone, regardless of skill level. The thrill doesn't stop there. The WaveFlyer Volare has a foiling height of 1 meter, allowing you to glide above the water, adding an exciting new dimension to your experience. When retracted, its draft is just 0.25 meters, making it perfect for navigating shallow waters as well. Charging the Volare takes only 40 minutes, and with an impressive 4-hour endurance, you can enjoy extended time on the water without worrying about frequent stops. For the eco-conscious boating enthusiast, the Enautic WaveFlyer Volare is a perfect match, combining agility, comfort, and sustainability into one efficient package.